Hello guys, welcome back to People's Choice. In this video we are going to see about how to get unlimited mails in one app. And they are not temp mails but permanent mails with the inbox and outbox also. Let us go to the Play Store and search for the Insta Adder app. And there you can see Instant Mail Address app developed by the Kukusuma. So just install that app. As I have already installed it, so let us open the app. There you can see the interface of the app and the mails I have already created. Guys, just click on create an address automatically so that new mails are generated within seconds. And we can create as many as we want and there is no limit for them. Just a click and create multiple mails instantly. Not only creating, we can also designate the address to the mails as on our own. As you can see, there are multiple domains that are available in this app and they will be updated every week and they will be add new ones. Just enter the address and select the domain and click on create an email address so that our email address will be created on our given name or address. There our email address has been successfully created as we given on our name, and you can create any mails on your name, and good news is that they will remain permanently until the app is uninstalled. We can also create an email address with an expiry date and they will remain until 1 month of the date generated, as you can see on the screen, and that is really nice. Now let us check the inbox of the mails. Guys, all mails will be redirected to the inbox only and you will be notified every time when you receive the mail. And you can also see the mail address from which the mail is received. And you can identify who is the sender and which one of your email address has been received the mail, and there is no confusion in it. And you can receive many mails at a time and there is no limit for it also. Guys, not only inbox, let us also check the outbox of our mails. As I have not sent any mails, there is empty. Let us send an email to the any random mail addresses. Guys, these are better than temp mails because temp mails are created only for receiving but not for composing, and they are also expired when we quit the browser. As in temp mail app we can get access to the mails but only one mail at a time. But in this app we can create multiple mail addresses and receive multiple emails at a time, and they will remain permanent. So I suggest you to use this app if you want multiple email addresses instantly. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.